Alright, ready? Scene. Scene. Hey. Name.
Cynthia.
Age.
14.
Sex.
5 times a week.
Alright, ready? Oh, let's do the Kevin Hart. Ready? I'm the teacher. Ready? I staple it. Make sure your mom reads that.
So I went home and my mom said no. And she was like,
no. Tell your teacher I said to mind her damn business before I come to school and beat her ass.
you need to wash it like that.
What I say? Tell your teacher to mind her damn business before I come to school and beat her ass.
Nah, I heard what you said. I'm just making sure that
Kevin, if I say it again, I'm slap the shit out of you.
Alright, I got it.
Okay, no, I got it.
So I went upstairs and I practiced my lines. My mom told me to tell you
To mind your damn nose.
That's too loud. It's not believable. So I started to get it out. I go to bed because I got a big day tomorrow. There's morning, I put on my clothes on.
Get on the bus.
Get on the bus. And everybody's like, yo.
Kev's on the bus. Yo, Kev's on the bus. Kev's on the bus.
I'm like, nah, you guys. I can't be letting y'all throw me off like that.
Cause you gotta. Yeah. What do you mean?
Where's your friendship bracelet? It's about to go down. Where's yours?
What do you mean it's about to go down?
Where is yours?
Tell me what you're telling
Be
me.
behind me when I go.
Alright, cool. Shut up! Oh my god, we're doing something!
Where's yours?
Anyway,
Now, I think Jasmine, she did some
So I
witchcraft.
go to the class and she say hi.
wait, I'm gonna do the good morning. Ready? Good morning. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Kevin.
She look at me and she's like, Kevin. I'm like,
Miss Green. Did you let your mom read the note?
yes, I did.
Say it's about to go down.
I turned around, I looked at my friends and I'm like, it's about
To go down. What is she saying?
my mom told me to tell you to mind your
Damn motherfucking business, bitch. Little stupid bitch. Little dumb bitch. Cross-eyed fucking this bitch. Cross-eyed crying down your back, bitch. Pretty no, never, bitch.
What did she say back?
All my friends were in the back in the classroom were like,
Like,